Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath158a.
Family Math 158a. So this is a really cool problem. Oh shoot, I forgot to bring the book in Art of Problem Solving's Intro to Counting and Probability book. And apparently it's from an old ARML math contest. And here's the question. If you write out the integers from 1 to 256 in binary, how many zeros do you write?
Interesting problem.
Interesting problem. Do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
All right. What are the things that we have to understand how to do to understand this problem?
You have to understand binary.
You have to understand binary.
Well, count the digits in binary. You don't.
Have to understand the digits in binary.
Then
Anything else?
Well, you have to know powers of 2.
You have to know powers of 2. That helps understand binary, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how would you guys like to proceed on this problem?
well, you have to go in binary. You have to go from 1 to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. That those are the number limits.
Okay, let's see. So 1 in binary,
Is-
the number base 10, the number 1, and then binary,
Is 1.
1. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a way to proceed from here.
Okay, well let's see what your brother wanted to do first. What do you want? What was the next thing you wanted?
Well, the boundaries are 1
Yeah.
to 256,
256, okay.
and 256 is a power of 2.
256 is a power of 2. What power of 2 is it?
2 to the 8th, I think.
2 to the 8th. Okay, is that right?
Yeah.
Alright.
So that means this will have in binary, I'll have a 1 with 7 zeros after it.
Well, 1 with 7 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you think that's 256 in binary?
Yeah.
Because 2 to the 8th should have how many zeros?
You should have 7.
7 zeros in binary. Okay, now, how could we check if that's right or not? What would be an easier number to check?
2 squared. Or 4. 4 would be pretty easy to check, or just 2.
2 would be pretty easy to check as well. 2
is just 1 0.
is 1 0. And what power of 2 is 2?
It's just 2 to the first.
So
2 to the first.
it looks like this is going to have 8 zeros.
So 2 to the 1 has how many zeros?
It looks like it has 1 0.
Okay. Let's check another one. What would you say
2
was
squared,
2 squared, which is
which is 4.
4.
Which is going to it's going to be 1 0 0.
1 0 0 in binary.
It looks like 256 is 2 to the 8th, so it's going to have 8 zeros.
It's going to have 8 zeros in binary. Okay. So it's good. It's a good idea what you said to do. We're going to start at 1 and we're going to go to 256.
Yeah.
But we got to be absolutely sure that 2 to the 8th, how many zeros it has in binary.
Yeah.
And one way to start with that is just start with some simple powers of 2. 2 to the 1 has how many zeros?
Has 1,
2 squared has how many zeros?
2.
2. 2 to the 0?
Has 0 zeros.
0 zeros. Okay. Alright, so we can be pretty confident that 2 to the 8th in binary is going to have 8 zeros. Okay? So we're going to have to remember, for our very last number, we're going to add 8 zeros, and our very first number, we're going to have no zeros. Now all we have to do is count all the zeros in between.
It's going to be.
I have a way to do that.
Oh, okay. What's your way?
So we'll divide it up into cases. The numbers with 1 1, like this number, and these numbers.
Okay.
The numbers with 2 1s, numbers with 3 1s, 4 1s, 5 1s, all the way up to the numbers with 9 1s.
Oh, that actually sounds like a very interesting way to go. how many numbers have 1 1, how many have 2 1s, how many have 3 1s, how many have 4 1s, all the way up to, what's the most number of 1s we're going to find?
It's gonna be 8 ones.
And which number is going to have 8 1s?
255.
255. Do you see that?
Yep.
You see why? Why does 255 have 8 1s in binary?
Because you can't have a 0 before the 1.
Yeah,
Because otherwise, it would be not the correct number of digits.
okay. So tell you what, why don't we make this 158b? We'll try to count the different cases with 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4 1s.
all right.
All right. Let's do that.